Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much to the committee. I would now to present our paper in this title, Syariah Legitimasi of Product through Halal Certification in Effort to Empower the Economy of Mustahik Zakat. Introduction. Zakat as one of the pillar of Islam is fiscal instrument to the state that served not only to distribute the welfare of the people more justly and evenly, but is also integral part of human accountability to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. The philosophy foundation of zakat as mandated by the law of Republic Indonesia number 2023 of 2011 on zakat management state. The zakat is religious medium which I made to improve of the welfare of the people. One of the effort to empower the mustahik zakat economy in the halal certification of mustahik zakat good and service, which are in fact a micro, small and medium enterprise. The empirical facts show that in 2019 the number of halal certificate issued by the Food Medicine and Cosmetic Assessment Institute of the Indonesian Ulama LPPUMI amount to 15 with a total of 274 product from 1300 company. This means that only 5% of product halal certified by LPPUN MUI. Based on the report Thomson, Reuters, and Dinar Standard entitled "The State of the Global Islamic Economic Reform 2018 and 19, there are two major challenges in the halal certificate of product, namely lack of global element. Halal fall into the best practice because the lack of generally accepted standard among certification agency global, often resulting in duplication of certification cost and complexity. Limited oversight. There are more than 1,300 certified which are officially recognized, but the limited oversight by certification agency still leaving substantial room for misstatement. This type of study is normative legal research. Related to this type research, the approach used in the statutory and conceptual approach. The data used in the study is secondary data that is divided into primary legal material, namely legislation, and secondary legal materials, consisting of journal, report, news in the mass media. The secondary data is obtained through library research technique. The data is the analysis, descriptive, and qualitative. Result and discussion. Economic empowerment of mustahik through halal certification. LPPM Basnas has superior program called International Mustahik. The empowering the economy of mustahik. The entrepreneur program is an economic empowerment program for productive mustahik who will run an enterprise already running a business various product. From business category, this program aims to develop UMKM. The type of business that is carried out is from whole scale business, creative industry. The program which with location to 26 district city in the province of Jakarta, West Java, and Nusa Tenggara Barat. Basnas provide assistance for various types of business those engaged in the food, culinary business, retail business, and agriculture product. Based on data from 17 October 2019 to 12 August 2020, there were 700,000 applicants for halal certification. However, only 290 exist halal certificates have been issued by the Halal Product Guarantee Agency. Based on data from LPPMUI, the number of halal certification issued is not proportional to the number of product, which only reached 5%. There are still 94% who are not halal certified. Obstacle to halal certification for mustahik product: legal awareness of mustahik. According to Erna Lubis from Sanina F and Kultural Center, the majority UMKM has now fully implemented the halal aspect or certified their product to be halal because to the awareness of both the consumer and producer level. This condition is very different from Singapore. Generally, business actors do not take care of halal certification because the process takes a long time and high cost. Mustahik zakat don't recognize and understand the regulation for protecting Muslim consumer from haram product, as well as the progress urgency of halal certification. In addition, the meaning of halal haram in the prospective business actor has apparent reduction is meaning. Advocacy from zakat management institution. Based on the research, the zakat management institution that advocates the advocacy for halal certificate are Basnas and institution, namely LPM Basnas, which provide UMKM actor with halal product certification and distribution license according to regulation. The assistance provided by LPM is still limited to the UMKM in support. Okay. The high cost of certification. The issue of cost cannot be separated from halal certification. The fact show that no many business actor carry out halal certification compared to the number of new product per year. The main reason mentioned by producer in the high cost, according to the head of Basnas Bulukumba, Yusuf Sandi, the cost of halal certification is expensive, around around per institution. Okay. Bureaucrat certification after being transferred from MUI to Ministry of Religious Affairs since October 17, 2019, the halal assurance system of halal certification is still stagnant because of the disharmonious collaboration in the BPJS sector, the halal inspection agency LPH and MUI. A number of micro, small and medium UMKM entrepreneur is North Sumatra, especially City Medan, complain and were confused by the complex bureaucracy for obtain halal certificate, which were previously under the authority of MUI. Conclusion: zakat is one of the economic instrument in Islamic aim to improve the welfare of its recipient. A zakat fund distributed by Basnas and LAS to mustahik are used for economic empowerment of mustahik through halal certification assistance as the legality of Syari. Halal certification is basically an effort to increase consumer trust in mustahik zakat products and also provide guarantee protection for Muslim consumer. Halal certification for goods and service products by mustahik zakat through product zakat has not been implemented optimally due to low legal awareness, limited advocacy of zakat management institution for mustahik, expensive certification costs, and bureaucratic certification procedure. Thank you very much.